Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, let me show you how you can easily remove background from image in Word. Amazing how you can easily do this without any software, just using Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word on your PC. Next, go add the image that you want. Click on your picture, then go to Format and click on it. Next, click on Remove Background. You'll see a highlighted area in purple. Drag your image to ensure you don't remove the background of your actual image. Then click Keep Changes. You can see the background has been removed. And there. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.